Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. My name is Shivam and I welcome you to our platform Abhipedia on which we are continuing our insightful series that is Niti Pe Charcha, Demystifying Government Schemes. Today we are moving forward with lecture 2 in which we are going to discuss all the important schemes from the year 2015. I hope so that you have watched our lecture 1 in which we have discussed all important schemes from 2014. Also, I would like to inform you that you can get the free PDF of this session from our Telegram channel, the link for which is given in the description below. Let's start with the scheme first of our day. The first scheme is PM Mudra Yojana. What does PM Mudra Yojana stands for? It stands for Pradhan Mantri Microfinance Development and Refinance Agency. What is its nodal ministry? The nodal ministry is Ministry of Finance. Acha, do let me know in the comment box who is the current finance minister. What is its aim? It provides loans to small entrepreneurs or self-employed persons, micro enterprises that remain outside the formal credit system. But why? Due to lack of collateral or high risk perception by banks. Therefore, to explain this scheme in few words, we can simply say that it is funding the unfunded. Let's understand the important features of this scheme. In this scheme, the loans are provided in three categories. What are those three categories? First is Shishu, second is Kishore, third is Tarun. In Shishu category, you can see the amount ranges up to rupees 50,000. Whereas in Kishore, the amount ranges from 50,000 to 5 lakhs. And in Tarun, the amount ranges from 5 lakh to 10 lakh. Okay. In 2024, a new category was added, that is Tarun Plus. In this, the amount ranges from 10 lakh to 20 lakh. Achha. Another important feature of this scheme is that it is collateral free. The person applying the loan under this scheme need not to pay any collateral. So a question arises, then who will guarantee the credit risk? The credit risk is guaranteed by government. Do remember this thing. Achha. Who are the people who are eligible to apply under this scheme? These are non-farm, non-corporate, micro, micro units such as artisans, food vendors, shopkeepers, and small service providers. So what will this do? This will bring more financial inclusion, right? Achha. Also remember, there are some kinds of incentives given to those people who pay their loan on time. How and what are these incentives? These are interest rebates. Let's understand its current status in 2025. As of 2025, more than 52 crore loans have been sanctioned with a cumulative disbursement of over 33.65 lakh crore rupees, a big number, right? Also, another important feature is that women constitute a large share of beneficiaries. That is 60% of Mudra loan have been received by women. So, kudos to women empowerment. Hai na? Let's move forward to our next scheme. The next scheme is Atal Pension Yojana. By which ministry is it managed? It is managed by Ministry of Finance. But further, which organization is responsible for Atal Pension Yojana? It is Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. Do let me know who is the current chairperson. Achha. What is the aim of Atal Pension Yojana? It provides a guaranteed pension to workers in unorganized sectors, address old age income security, and reduce dependence on non-formal sources and bring more people under the social security net. This means those people, those do not have like proper financial inclusion and those work in unorganized sector, we pay, Government of India pays them some pension, some amount of pension to give them some kind of financial security, right? Let's discuss its important features. इसका इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर क्या है कि एज ऑफ एंट्री क्या है? द एज ऑफ एंट्री इज 18 to 40 years. And what is the contribution period? Contribution period means by which age you enter and by what age you have to pay amount. It is until the age of 60. Acha. What is the minimum guaranteed pension? It ranges from 1,000 to 5,000 rupees. ठीक है? Acha. I have also brought example. For a person to get a pension of rupees 1,000 after the age of 60, how much amount does he need to pay? For example, if a person starts this scheme at the age of 18, he needs to pay rupees 42 per month to get 1,000 rupees per month after the age of 60. But this contribution amount varies with what age you are joining the scheme and how much amount you are paying, right? And we have already discussed that it is a guaranteed benefit. This pension is guaranteed by government, right? Chलिए, moving forward. What is its current status? So subscriber base क्या है? The subscriber base is 7.65 crore with Uttar Pradesh having maximum number of enrollments. ठीक है? Gender participation as seen in 2024 to 2025, more than 55% of the new subscribers are women. हाँ, do remember this point. This might come in exam. कि that all people eligible for Atal Pension Yojana? No. Those people who are income tax payers are not eligible to join Atal Pension Yojana. When was this change brought? This change was brought in the year 2022. Do remember this thing, है ना? चलिए, moving forward. The next scheme is PM Awas Yojana. By Awas, what do we mean? This is a Hindi word. This means house. ठीक है? PM Awas Yojana was launched for two different categories. That is PM Awas Urban and PM Awas Gramin. By urban, we mean urban areas, and it is managed by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Who is current minister? Manohar Lal Khattar. He was the ex-CM of Haryana. ठीक है? And Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin. Do remember that it was launched in the year 2016, and it is managed by Ministry of Rural Development. Who is the current minister? Shivraj Singh Chauhan. What was its tagline? Its tagline was housing for all by 2022. But due to some delays, this scheme has been further extended in both the cases, like in urban also and in rural also. In urban, it is launched as PM Awas Yojana Urban 2.0. And for rural, it has been extended till year 2028 to 2029. चलिए, moving forward. PM Urban Awas Yojana में कितने houses अब तक construct हो गए? How many houses are constructed? That is 112 lakh houses. And how many have been completed? 91.50 lakh houses completed. ठीक है? As discussed earlier, that PM Awas Yojana Urban has been relaunched as PM Awas Yojana Urban 2.0. ठीक है? Which will run for a period of 2024 to 2029. Right? And in what are the stats for PM Awas Gramin? More than 3 crore 87 lakh people have registered, sanctioned 3 crore 61 lakh, and how many have completed till date? 2 crore and 74 lakh. Right? Moving forward, the next scheme is Smart City Mission. As the name suggests, making our city smart. How we will make our city smart? By providing some infrastructure. Right? Which is the nodal ministry? Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. We have discussed in the previous slide who is the current minister. Now do let me know in the comment box. Chaliye. What is its objective? To promote cities that provide core infrastructure, a clean and sustainable environment, and give decent quality of life to citizens using smart solutions and technology. Moving forward, what is its focus area? To provide core infrastructure elements. What are those core infrastructure elements? These are adequate water supply, right? Assured electricity supply, sanitation, efficient urban mobility and public transport, affordable housing, and good governance. Good governance via e-governance, right? Chaliye. What is its current status? How many projects have been approved till now? More than 7,800 projects have been approved, and how many have completed? 6,500. That makes 85% approximately. Also, do remember that 50 cities, over 50 cities have 100% completed projects. Acha, do let me know in the comment box. Is your city covered in Smart City Mission? Right? And if yes, do let me know the name of your city. Let's move forward. The next scheme is Sagarmala project. Acha. Sagarmala project, its name itself suggests Sagar. Sagar means ocean. So it must be related to ocean. What is its nodal ministry? Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. As always, you will let me know who is the current minister. Do comment. ठीक है. What is its objective? To promote port-led development in India by modernizing ports, enhancing port connectivity, and developing coastal economic zones. अच्छा, do let me know here what are SCZs. अच्छा, what is the tagline? Port-led prosperity. अच्छा, why are ports so important for a nation? Ports are definitely important for us, na? It will help us to import or export the goods, therefore affecting our business, है ना? चलिए. What are its key objectives? Port modernization and new port development, port linked industrialization. By how? By establishing coastal economic zones, port based special economic zones, and industrial clusters, and also encouraging industry to set up near ports to reduce logistic costs. ठीक है. Improve road, rail, inland and waterways and pipeline connectivity to ports. Integrate multimodal logistics for faster movement of goods. चलिए. अच्छा, व्हाट आर द मेजर पोर्ट लेड डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स? सबसे पहला कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट है? वाधवन प्रोजेक्ट इन महाराष्ट्र. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर? डीप ड्राफ्ट प्रोजेक्ट पोर्ट अंडर डेवलपमेंट. व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय डीप ड्राफ्ट पोर्ट? Deep draft ports are those ports that can accommodate big ships. Para-deep port expansion. अच्छा, what is the specialty about para-deep port? It handles our iron export. Vizag Port, Kerala, transshipment hub. Transshipment hub, what do we mean by transshipment hub? That here goods are transferred from one ship to another ship, है ना? It enables faster delivery of goods. And JNPT SCZ. What is JNPT? Jawaharlal Port Trust. Where it is? In Maharashtra. It handles our, what is the importance of this? It handles maximum cargo. Let's move forward. Next, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. I feel that this scheme should be close to every one of our hearts. Why? Because it emphasizes on the importance of saving the daughter, the girl child, right? And educating them. What is its nodal ministry? Ministry of Women and Child Development. What was its aim? Its aim was to bring societal mindset changes, है ना? Earlier people used to think that girl child is a burden, but through this scheme and educating people, there a mindset change was brought that no, this is wrong. Girls are also assets to us, ठीक है? If we educate them, right? So the scheme was intended as triggering mechanism to change societal mindset and force laws, especially around prenatal sex, very important, and improve service delivery for girl child. ठीक है? What were its key objective? सबसे पहले prevent gender bias sex selective elimination. That was to eliminate prenatal sex determination tests, right? Next, ensure survival and protection of girl child by improving health and nutrition services for girls. Third, promote social attitude change, right? By educating people with the help of NGOs. Also, if you might have heard of selfie with Beti, है ना? Under this campaign, people were encouraged to take a selfie with their girl child, है ना? So that they can also celebrate the birth of girl child, right? चलिए. And what was the target group? All girl children, especially in the district with poor child sex ratio. Do let me know example of such districts. Also, do let me know which state has the lowest girl child ratio. Moving forward, what are its achievement till now? Improvement in sex ratio at birth. National sex ratio birth has improved from 918 in 2014-15 to 930 in 2023 to 2024. Education and enrollment gains. Gross enrollment ratio for girls in secondary level improved from 75.51 to 78% in 2023 to 2024. And health and maternal child metrics, institutional deliveries have surged from 61% to 97.3%, right? So if we try to educate people, we can bring a change, है ना? So always try to educate people around you about the social evils and try to bring a change of mind in themselves, right? I think so. We have covered all the important schemes. In the next session, we will discuss next schemes from the following years, like 2016, 2017. Also, I would like to mention here that we have started a course for government schemes. In which we provide all the important current affairs related to government schemes, and we have also provided more than 13,000 MCQs for you to practice, right? So you can check out this course from the description, right? So that's all for today. We will be meeting again for the next session, right? Do let me know what is your feedback and what other changes we can bring. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.